Hello everyone, my name is Kirti Mishra. I have done BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation and MTech in VLSI Technology. I have 7 years of teaching experience. My subjects are science and maths up to class 10th. I love teaching children. I like helping them in understanding the concepts of maths by giving them day to day examples and by providing them easier and convenient method so that they can score well in their examinations. I am glad to work with Ma Saraswati online tuitions. Ma Saraswati online tuitions is India's best leading personal tutor organization. It has India's best teachers associated with it. If you want your child achieve the best, join with the best. Thank you.